In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Java files not opening on your computer. So if you're trying to double click on a Java file and it's either not opening or it opens and then closes straight away, I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, select Apps and click on Installed Apps. Now using the search box, go and type in the word Java. And if you see any applications here relating to Java, then you'll need to uninstall them from your computer. So just click on the 3 horizontal dots and press uninstall. Now once you've done this, it means we can go and install a fresh version of Java. So we're just going to open up an internet browser and type in Java download and press enter. Then you'll need to click on this top website here, which is java.com, and then scroll down and you'll have all of these different download versions. So I'm just going to click on this top one here, Windows Online, and then you'll need to go and open up this application and then just run through the steps on the screen to go and install this to your system. Now once that's finished installing, you can open back up your Java file and you can right click on it, click on Open With and select Java Platform SC Binary. Now if it's still not working, then I have another solution for you. Now what you'll need to do is open back up an internet browser and type in jarfix and press enter. Now the website you need to click on is this top website here, Johan, and then you'll need to scroll down and you'll see this executable file jarfix.exe. So go ahead and click on this file and that should begin downloading to your computer. So you can then just open up this file like so, and you should get this message saying that this has been registered successfully. Once you've done this, you can open back up your Java file once again, right click on it, click on Open With, click on Choose Another App, click on Java Platform and click on Always. Then just double click on your file and you can check to see if that solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to open back up an internet browser. This time type in JDK download and press enter. Now click on this top website, oracle.com. You'll then need to scroll down and from here we can install the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit. So go and click on your operating system, mine is Windows, and I'm going to select the x64 installer. And once again, that should go and appear in your downloads folder. Once it's finished downloading, just go and install this onto your computer and you could try opening up your Java file and that should have now solved your issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.